Welcome to the next tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the basic setup of the visualization for the weapon foil template, and I'm going to explain you what it does, also the functionalities a little bit, and icons, meanings and stuff like that, so you can get started with it quite fast. So yeah, let's dive in. And on top we have a menu bar, a navigation bar. Yeah, first of all, let's just take a look at the configuration that I have here with the micro browser. And I am selecting the IP address of my PLC here. This is by default 192.168.1.2. So it should also be like that on your PLC when you order it. If not, or you have got another port the server is running on the visualization, you can of course also add the port here. And the main visualization and the view is called main.html, and that should also be configured on your PLC. I'm accessing the PLC from my engineering PC, so I have a separate micro browser installed here and I'm connected to the PLC. So let's go more into the visualization. On top we have the navigation bar, which contains the main navigation buttons, where we have the automatic page, we have a manual page where we can jog forward, backward, we have a settings menu, a service menu, user menu for user level management, a recipe menu, so here you can save and read recipes and edit the names of the recipes, and of course an alarming function, and also just a shutdown, reboot, exit sub menu. So this is the navigation area, and in the middle, in the center of the visualization, we have the main, let's say, edit function area, and also a small bar on the left hand side that is like a control bar where you can control the machine states. So on top we have a power on switch where you can power on the axis. We have a homing switch or referencing where you can execute the homing. We have a start button, we have a stop button, and we have an arrow reset button. Here in the middle we have the area where you can do the settings and the controls. On the bottom we have the status bar where you can see the current state of the machine. So if it's an init, when it's booting, if it is homed, whether it's an idle, manual, automatic, warning, error. So I think that's clear. We have a date and time, and the green light on the right bottom. This is showing the connection state to the PLC. So if it's red, we don't have an active connection to the PLC, and if it's green, we have a connection to the PLC. That's the basic overview of the machine visualization, and in the next videos we are going to dive deeper in each function.